Good morning, YouTube. It's actually afternoon. I waited until the afternoon to go for a ride because the temperature is better. However, the sun has disappeared, so now it's cooler again. I thought I was going to go to some dirt route to see if it was open, but I don't think it will be yet. I think it'll still be covered in snow. So we'll take a spin along the lake here. I got to do some maintenance on both bikes, mainly the 650F. It's time to change the spark plugs and air filter, new tires front and back. So I got some work to do. Not all the parts are in yet. I'm waiting for the air filter and the tires. Canada Post is taking its sweet time. I also decided that I'm going to try a booster plug in the 650F. I figure I want to find out if it'll help. If it'll improve anything at all. I don't have any issues, but I think it's worth a test. A lot of people are a little confused about how the booster plug works. So I think when I do get it installed, I'll do a little explanation. But basically what it does, the upshot is it adds about 6% more fuel to the mix in the open loop mode. So open loop would be on idle, slow, low speed maneuvers, and acceleration and deacceleration. And the beauty of that is that you get the enrichment right where you need it and not where you don't. So when you're just cruising along at a steady pace, there's no added fuel. So that's where your oxygen sensor will come in, and the ECU will listen to the O2 sensor and trim your fuel to keep you nice and efficient when you're just cruising. Anyway, we'll give it a whirl. Give it a shot. So I cleaned the 300. Actually, I cleaned both bikes. Not meticulously, but hey, good enough for me. This one was especially dirty. It was horrible. However, that's okay. Well, I don't think I'll stay here long because it's getting a bit chilly. But it's nice to take a break by the lake here. See what's happening. There never is anything. No sea monsters. We have a supposed sea monster in this lake. It's called Ogopogo. Lots of people have sort of seen it, and I say sort of because, you know, they take photographs and it's, is it or is it not? But, yeah, the legend dates back hundreds of years. It's kind of like the Loch Ness Monster, only this is long and snaky. Well, you never know, do you? No reason why not. Sure glad I got the 300L here. Yeah, I'm really liking it. I like it quite a bit better than the 250L. And I really like that bike, so I think I'll grow quite attached to this one. Yeah, keep it for a long time. Keep it till I'm not riding anymore. Yeah, on the CB650F, the new tires I'm getting, I'm going to try something different this time. My current tires are Dunlop Q3 Plus, and they were awesome. Excellent tires. Beautiful grip, nice handling. And they lasted, well, I made them last longer than I should, because they lost their handling a couple thousand kilometers ago, because they started to get a bit of a flat spot on top. But they are excellent tires. But I thought I'm gonna see if I can find something good enough for the riding I do and a little bit less expensive. So I looked at the options and I went with Dunlop Road Sport 2. So I've never tried them before, but they're quite inexpensive. And all the reviews that I have read on them are pretty stellar. So I think they're worth a shot. I'm also changing the spark plugs from the standard plugs to iridium. And I prefer those, so that's what I'm going to do. And the air filter, did I mention? I'm putting in a K&N air filter. So, new tires, iridium plugs, K&N air filter, and booster plug. Going in the CB650F. So as soon as I get the tires and the air filter in, that's all I'm waiting for now. I can get that done, and I'll tell you what I think of it all. See if there's any improvements. Well, I am going to head home because I'm getting cold. So you guys take care. You ride safe. Have a blast. I'll catch you on another one.